Welcome from Software Bank, how to use channel and page. Now I describe for you about Malwarebytes. Malwarebytes for Windows 4.2.0 released on August 24, 2020. Malwarebytes for Windows 4.2.0.28. Here is a summary of the features, improvements, and fixed issues in this release as 2023 version. Features and improvements. Added an option to start a scan from the monthly summary report when no scans were completed in the last 30 days. Made general improvements to the notification framework. Revised the scan complete notification buttons. Now they will open directly to the scan summary page. Implemented minor performance improvements. Fixed issues. Addressed a minor cosmetic issue with the monthly summary report. It's always recommended to keep your antivirus software up to date, so I would suggest updating to Malwarebytes for Windows April 5, 2029 to benefit from these new features and improvements.